Hello students, welcome to the series of lectures that we are doing and working on with the shortcut tricks to find the limits of certain questions. This is one among that. Suppose we have a question specific to that as limit x tends to 0 irrespective of like what we have, which root of like root of 1 minus x square or cube root or in fact the power. This is for your reference. I have given you written aside all those formulas that we have. Okay, the limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equals to 1. This is all we know already. Limit x tends to 0 a raised to x minus 1 by x is log a, and limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is equals to 1. This you're going to apply over here while solving your questions. It would be most appropriate when you're doing your entrance examinations, and it will help you out and write, especially even if you go for the MCQs. Point of view, you can quickly solve the question without having to do with the rationalization, which the students normally tend to do in the written part. Without doing that, you can quickly tell these answers with this particular clue. Like when we have limit x tends to 0 and 1 plus or minus x raised to n, whenever there is an expression, remember limit x tends to 0 and this one, it is nothing but 1 either plus nx or minus nx, depend upon what binomial that you have with the power n. So here the same trick that we are going to apply to solve this particular questions whenever we have the expression which is binomial and of power n. Now this is second order, so I can write it as my n is nothing but 1 by 2. So it will quickly, you can solve it out and write it like that. This is negative sign because it's given in the question. I am opening that with the negative directly to avoid one more step and to get the answer quickly. So this goes out, you're getting minus x square on the numerator and denominator 2x square, which cancel out, and your answer is minus 1 by 2. Isn't it pretty simple? Yes. So that's how you can solve the questions like this in a matter of seconds. Similarly, when we have a question like this, same thing. Now the order, the n is 1 by 3 as it goes with the sin x. So you will have sin x by 3 here in the numerator, and I'm opening with negative, so I'll have plus sin x by 3. Remember, we are expanding this with this particular thing. If you could see over here, which I have noted, the same thing, and write your x. So minus and minus goes out. What you have over here is sin x by 3, sin x by 3, which will give you 2 by 3 sin x over x, correct? This is nothing but sin x over x, as I have given you. Now you can easily guess your answer. It is nothing but 2 over 3, because this sin x by x according to the formula will give us 1 as limit x tends to 0. We haven't applied the limit yet, remember. We are just simplifying it with this particular logic, and sin x by x will give us 1 at the end. So my answer is going to be 2 by 3. Likewise, now you can do this two questions. So this will be 2x by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, and then 2x is already there. Similarly, this one by sin x, this goes out, and 2x by 2, 2x by 2, definitely it is going to give you x, correct? 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x by 2, it will give you 2x by sin x, which in turn you can take 2 out, x by x, and as I said, even the reciprocal also will give you 1. So the answer is 2. Now, how to do for this particular question now when we have the power? Similarly, work it out this one. You will have to apply this particular scenario over here as limit extends to this one. So write the numerator intact. Just work out this one. It will give you x by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 goes out. Similarly, remember, we are expanding the root things over here with the property. So now this by 2 will be the reciprocal over here, and you ended up getting 2 raised to x minus 1 by x. Now if you carefully look at this, what we are getting is nothing but of this particular form, which is log a, and here a is my 2. So basically I am getting the answer 2 log 2 to the base e. This is very simple trick. Now you can work it out whenever you have limit questions. As I said earlier, please work out and check for the similar questions you have. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.